Hey guys, how's everybody doing? It's Friday's reading lesson. You're probably watching this on Monday, so I hope you had a great weekend. I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. Today we're going to be doing a shorter reading lesson. It's working on adjectives, so we're going to be on page 470, and it's going to look like this. And it's order of adjectives. So we've talked about adjectives a lot during the school year. So remember, adjective is a word that describes a noun. So especially in our morning work, we've done a lot of work with adjectives. So this is a very good chart showing how adjectives should be ordered when you are putting them into a sentence. And what should come first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. So you have the number, then your opinion, then the size, then the shape, then the color, and then the material. So sometimes more than one adjective describes a noun or pronoun. We saw 3 interesting wooden statues at the museum. So you see 3 is first, so number. Interesting is their opinion, and wooden is the material. So you know that it would come in that order because that's how the chart is, and that's how adjectives should be. So notice how adjectives 3 comes before interesting and wooden. When you use more than one adjective, it's important to place them in a certain order. Put the different kinds of adjectives in order shown in this chart going from left to right. So look at this example. There are square 2 huge murals next to the exit. So you want to rearrange these so you have the number 2, huge is the size, and square is the shape. 2 huge square murals next to the exit. So we're going to do the sentences below, and we're going to write these 3 words that are underlined in the correct order. So the museum has metal, beautiful blue vases on display. So what would come first? Beautiful, right? Beautiful is your opinion. Blue is the color, and metal is the material. So beautiful, blue, metal. So if you look up here, you can see opinion, color, material. So number 2 would be round 1, crystal vase comes from India. So we know we have to put the number first, then the shape, and the materials always last. So it's going to be 1 round crystal vase comes from India. Number 3 is, I see tiny, wonderful, many paintings on the wall. So we're going to put the number first, which even though it doesn't have a specific number, it's still saying a number because it's many. So it's more than 1. So many wonderful, tiny paintings on the wall. So wonderful is your opinion, tiny is the size. Number 4 says, the paintings include brick, several tall buildings. So we're going to do number first, which would be several, then the size, which would be tall, and then the material, which would be brick. The painting includes several tall brick buildings. So this is a very good chart. Maybe you even want to cut it out and keep it. Something you can use even next year so you can see which order when you're writing something, or even mark the page with a Post-it when you're writing something, what order the adjective should come in if you forget. So on our next page, 471, the artist, we're going to do 1 through 5, and we're just going to circle the correct one. So in 1, A, this artist created square, small, green paintings, or is it B, the artist created green, square, small paintings, or C, this artist created square, green, small paintings, or D, this artist created small, square, green paintings? So the answer would be D, because you have small, which is the size, square's the shape, and green's the color. and that would be the order they would go in. So your answer would be D. On number 2, we have, she also drew graceful some gray birds. She also drew graceful gray some birds. She also drew some gray graceful birds. Or D, she also drew some graceful gray birds. So our answer would be D, because we have some, which is the number, graceful is our opinion, and gray is the color. So if you look at number 3, we have the watercolor has beautiful blue wavy lines. The watercolor has wavy, beautiful blue lines. The watercolor has beautiful wavy blue lines. Or the watercolor has wavy blue beautiful lines. So our answer would be C. Beautiful is the opinion, wavy is the shape, and blue is the color. So let's look at number 4. Number 4 says, I love the 2 silver small teapots in this picture. Or would it be B? I love the silver 2 small teapots in this picture. Or C, I love the 2 small silver teapots in this picture. Or D, I love the small 2 silver teapots in this picture. Well, we know if we look at our chart that number has to come first. So it has to be either A or C. So the answer would be C. 2, size, small, and silver would be the color. So our answer would be C. On number 5, it says, did you notice the red long silk tablecloth? Or B, did you notice the long red silk tablecloth? Or C, did you notice the silk red long tablecloth? Or D, did you notice the red silk long tablecloth? So what would come first? Would it be the color? Would it be the size? Or would it be the material? So we know we'd have to have long first. So our answer would have to be B, long red silk. We got size, color, material. So I hope you guys enjoyed that lesson. I know it was a little shorter. Next week, we're going to be Zooming Monday through Thursday at 10 a.m. if you can make it. If not, I will have them posted. We will not have a reading lesson next Friday. Okay, so you guys I hope you had a great weekend and have a great Monday. And I will see you tomorrow. Bye.